concerning the so-called Las Vegas Cybertruck driver. He exposed high-tech drones and was being followed, and he claims that the drones are actually from China. The manifesto email from Matthew Livesberger, identified as the Cybertruck driver, sent to Samosor, allegedly covers advanced drones, China's technology, and national security concerns. And I'll read you part of the letter. There's a picture of it, but I'll try and read. First of all, he says, "I'm not under duress or hostile influence or control. My first car was a 2006 black Ford Mustang V6 for verification. What we have been seeing with drones in the operational use of gravitic propulsion systems powered by aircraft by most recently China in the East Coast, but throughout history, the US, only we and China have this capability. Our OPCEN location for this activity in the box is below," he said. "China has been launching them from the Atlantic from submarines for years, but this activity recently has picked up. As of now, it is just a show of force, and they are using it similar to how they use the balloon for sight in ISR and ISR, which are also part of the integrated comms system. There are dozens of these balloons in the air at any given time." And it says, because of the speed and stealth of their unmanned AC, most dangerous threat to national security that has ever existed. Basically, they have an unlimited payload capacity and can park it over the states if they wanted. It's checkmate, he says. U.S. government needs to give the history of this, how we are employing it and weaponizing it, how China is employing them, and what the way forward is. China is poised to attack anywhere in the East Coast. I've been followed for over a week now from likely Homeland or FBI, looking to move on me and are unlikely going to let me cross, whatever he says. So that's what he claimed on the first page of his writing. And the FBI confirms strong evidence, they say, quote unquote, that the manifesto aired on Sean Ryan 762 shows was sent by Cybertruck, a driver, Bob Livesberger, before. And the email claims New York drones use gravitic propulsion and hints at Chinese involvement. The police have released excerpts of the message left by this man. He says, "Fellow service members, veterans, and all Americans, time to wake up. We're being led by weak and feckless leadership who only serves to enrich themselves. We are the United States of America," he said. So that's it. The alleged Las Vegas Cybertruck driver reached out to ex-girlfriends excited about renting a Cybertruck for the Gazette. He said, "I rented a Tesla Cybertruck. It is SHIT. I feel like Batman or Halo." He texted one of his ex-girlfriends on Sunday, and he also sent her a photo. And that's the latest on this. It's according to Rumor Mill News from Next News Network. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.